Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you how to remove this black background on the Windows File Explorer. Today I just had this problem. First time I seeing this black color background on border. I had three folders like that just now. I managed to fix it. So I'm going to show you how to remove this black background around the folder. Okay, first you click on the folder, right click your mouse, click on properties, go to the customize tab. See these folder icons? Click on change icon. Choose any icon to replace the current folder icon. I will choose this. Then change back to the normal folder, click on customize. Click on change icon. I'm going to change it back to this folder. Click apply. Okay, there you go. It's back to the normal folder. No more black color background. I hope you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, please do click the like button and subscribe to my channel to share with others as well this tip. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.